Hey everyone, it's Nailah. I decided to do a voiceover because it was loud outside, but I wanted to show you a quick DIY on how to properly wear your jewelry. Now, I bought this shirt and didn't like it. So what I'm going to do is take my pearls, which I rarely wear given that I've had it for years, and I'm just going to loop it. It's very similar to my DIY bralette video I did a few months ago, but this time no extra effort or equipment like sewing or fabric glue is involved. Just grab your favorite piece of jewelry, loop it in the middle, hook the pieces together, and there you go. This is a simple and fast way to transform your clothes and reach for the old jewelry you have stored. Now they finally became useful. Don't forget to like and share this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.